The Terradyne Gurkha armored vehicle in stealth black matte emerges like a real battlefield machine brought into the modern era, instantly dominating every environment with its intimidating presence and military-grade engineering. Built for extreme protection and survival, this armored beast represents the peak of tactical automotive design, combining brute force durability with functional precision. Its massive boxy structure, reinforced steel body panels, bullet-resistant glass, and aggressive stance create a silhouette that feels more like a combat-ready vehicle than a civilian SUV. The matte black finish absorbs all light, turning the Gurkha into a moving shadow of authority that looks cinematic from every angle. Whether stationed in desert terrain, urban checkpoints, or mountainous off-road environments, it instantly commands attention and respect. Copy Option B. Emerging like a true armored titan, the Terradyne Gurkha delivers unmatched visual impact with military-grade engineering and extreme durability. Its square design, reinforced armor, oversized wheels, and high ground clearance create a dominating presence. The matte black finish adds a stealth-like aura, making it look like a classified tactical convoy vehicle built for ultimate control and strength. Inside the Terradyne Gurkha, the experience shifts to a mission-focused interior designed for survival, control, and tactical efficiency. The cabin is built with reinforced materials, durable seating, and functional layouts that prioritize safety and performance. Depending on configuration, passengers are surrounded by ballistic protection, communication systems, and monitoring equipment that ensures operational awareness in high-risk environments. The dashboard includes tactical navigation systems, rugged controls, and mission-critical instruments that allow complete control in extreme situations. Additional storage systems, emergency tools, and reinforced compartments enhance long-duration mission capability. Climate control and vibration-resistant seating ensure stability even in harsh terrain conditions. Every element is designed for real-world operational deployment. Under the armored shell lies a powerful engine delivering strong torque for deserts, mountains, and off-road survival. Copy Option B. The Gurkha interior is built for tactical survival and mission readiness. Reinforced seating, armored layers, and secure compartments ensure maximum protection. Communication and navigation systems support full operational awareness at all times. The layout is simple but highly functional for extreme environments. Extra mission equipment and storage options increase durability and long-range capability. Even in rough terrain, stability and control remain consistent. The engine delivers strong torque performance across all conditions. When the Terradyne Gurkha moves in stealth black matte, it becomes a cinematic force that dominates every frame with raw intensity and unstoppable presence. Its heavy armored structure, deep engine sound, and slow commanding movement create a feeling of absolute authority. Imagine it rolling through fog-covered streets, desert highways, and extreme off-road terrain where only military-grade machines survive. Every angle highlights reinforced panels, oversized tires, tactical lighting systems, and bold structural design that enhances its intimidating appearance. The vibration of its movement alone communicates power and dominance across the environment. Cinematic slow-motion shots and dramatic camera angles turn every frame into a movie-like experience. The Gurkha does not just travel, it controls space, atmosphere, and attention completely. Copy Option B. On the move, the Gurkha becomes a visual powerhouse with unmatched presence and tactical strength. Its armored body, heavy-duty frame, and military-inspired design make it look like a convoy leader in real operations. Whether driving through city night streets or rugged landscapes, it delivers a full cinematic experience. The matte black finish enhances light reflections, smoke effects, and shadows for dramatic visuals. Additional road vibrations and engine depth increase realism and intensity. Every movement feels like a controlled military operation. It dominates every environment without effort. Do you think the Terradyne Gurkha is the ultimate armored tank SUV? Comment your opinion, like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more powerful machines. Copy Option B. Would you trust the Terradyne Gurkha in extreme conditions? Comment below, share, and subscribe for more cinematic armored vehicles.